Have you noticed how the internet is flooded with articles these days? Everywhere you look at, AI tools are churning out endless streams of content. Sure, this sounds like a win for efficiency, but there's a darker side to it. What stands as innovative way to save time has become an AI content crisis. Today, quantity often overshades quality, making it harder than ever to find articles that genuinely educate, inspire, or build trust. This is where we step in, at that where we are tackling this crisis head on by combining the best of both worlds, artificial intelligence and genuine human expertise. The result, a new approach. We call it hyper-intelligence SEO, a way of doing digital marketing that's designed to stand out and value and be both search engine and human readers. So what's wrong with AI only content? It can be shallow, repeating information that already exists. It often lacks depth, content and emotion. It doesn't build trust. In an online world where trust and authority matter more than ever, this is a huge problem. Today's search engines have evolved. There's no longer rewards pages that just spam keywords. They are looking for EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Pure AI content struggle to deliver this, making it harder for businesses to get noticed. That was the answer. Human plus AI equals to smarter, stronger SEO. Here's at that where we do things differently. We don't just use AI to save time. We use it as a spreadboard for creating higher, relevant, authoritative and valuable content. Our AI analyzes massive amount of data, spot patterns and delivers precise recommendation. Meanwhile, our human writers, editors and SEO specialists steps in to build real narratives that educate, inspire and connect. The result? A seamless balance between powerful AI analytics and human creativity. SEO that doesn't just click boxes for search engines, it speaks to people. The impact, trust, visibility and growth. Why does this matters? In a world flooded with AI generated articles, people create depth and trust. They are looking for articles that help them understand, guide their decisions and give them reason to come back. With our approach at that where we help businesses build trust and loyalty, stand out from the noise, create genuine connections that drive long-term growth. The bottom line, the AI content crisis doesn't have to be the end of quality online information. At that where we believe it can be a new beginning. By blending advanced AI tools with human expertise, we are creating a roadmap for the future of digital marketing. One of the prioritized quality, trust and genuine connections. In the world where too much of the internet feels automated, we are reminding people of the value of a human touch. Together, AI and human can do more than just product content. We can create a better, smarter and more trustworthy online experience for everyone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It is a great way to support us and stay updated for more insights like these.